104.3 Radio 1.
One world, your station.
Mohammad Kaif is with me. I'm such a massive fan. Kaif bhai, I hope the family and you are safe and healthy and you've got at least one of your vaccines.
No, both the vaccine.
Lovely.
I've been vaccinated, so yeah.
Kaif bhai, will you go with Cheteshwar Pujara or Hanuma Vihari? A lot of people are turning around and saying Pujara is woefully out of form. Or will you go with somebody who's, given us quality over the years for the second test at Lord's?
No, Pujara plays, man. Come on. Pujara has to play. Pujara has done well in England last time when he had gone to England. And then who will forget what he has done in Australia? Winning man of the series, getting 3 centuries and whatever. So he had a great tour of England and Australia. It's too early. Still we go with Pujara. Let him play a few innings and see how it goes.
Kev, by the single spinner option, Ashwin or Jadeja? I mean, Ashwin has also proved that he can bat and score lots and lots of runs. We know that we went with Ravindra Jadeja in the first test. Would you stick with that? Or would you say, let's toss in Ashwin for this one?
No, the problem is Kohli wants to play 4 fast bowler, which is right. Because in UK, in England, in seaming condition, you want to have extra fast bowler. And probably the team Kohli played in the last game, it was very balanced side. That's why we were in the dominating position. If there was no rain on the 5th day, we would have won the game. So Kohli has done everything right in the last test match, picking the best 11 and, because it's going to be between Shardul, Jadeja, Shardul, Ashwin. Shardul plays because he's the 4th seaming option and who can bat.
Yeah.
So the competition is going to be between Shardul, Jadeja, Shardul, Ashwin. Shardul plays. Jadeja, of course, has done well with the bat, so he played. And and he's done well in the last match. He got 50. So everything is fine for Kohli, I guess.
But Sanjay Bhai has put out his 11, Sanjay Manjrekar. Now, he says that if you take out Shardul Thakur as the 4th seamer, you could play another batsman. That means you play Pujara as well as Hanuma Vihari. I mean, you can choose to disagree. What are your thoughts on that?
Then you lose out one fast bowler, no?
Yeah, you do. Anderson, what's the best way to combat him, Kev Bhai? Because he's in ominous form. I mean, he just keeps getting better with age. So, what are your thoughts in those English conditions facing the great man?
Yeah, of course. One of the legend of the game, role model for young players, those who wants to do fast bowling. You can learn so much. He's got great alignment, great bowling action, and the heart. He's not like 145, 50. He's just 130 medium pace bowler, but very clever, very smart. He reached the batsman, and condition, of course, in England, condition suits his style of bowling. So I think, he's done a great job. Role model for lots of people, those who wants to become a fast bowler. And he's going to be 40 now. So with age, he's getting better. I mean, people are saying retire, and so you don't ask legends to retire. They decide their time.
Very beautifully put. Joe Root is in such ominous form. How do you think the Indian bowlers should plan on getting him out, Kev Bhai? Do you have any plans in your head for getting Joe out? Joe Root.
Joe Root, I think he's a class player. There's no doubt about that. Best player of England side at the moment. And he has been not doing well currently. Before the last match, he was struggling. He didn't get 50 in last 11 12 innings. So he was struggling. But he is a class player. He is in the category of Fab 4. People talk about Kohli and Williamson and Smith. So he's right up there. There's no doubt about that. Averaging almost 50 in test match. He's a class player. Great batting technique. In the last inning, I enjoyed his batting because he came out with the intent to score runs. And sometimes it works, especially in England, when you have intent to score runs, not bogged down, leaving the ball. No two ways about his batting in the last game. So very free flowing, got his boundaries, and played really
How can
well.
we get him out? My primary question is, do you have any ideas on how we can get him out early?
Just keep it simple, like Bumrah did. In England, you don't change your line. Just keep it around Goodland spot. Pitch will do something. You have swing in the air available. So just keep it there. Have patience and just keep lots of ball. Just keep it there. Keep putting it all the time. Don't get confused with the in swinging bouncer, all these things. Don't have so many thoughts in your mind as a bowler. Just keep it simple. One ball gonna do from the 4th meter mark, which happened in the last game. Bumrah did that with a hard new ball. He got out.
Kev bhai, you're just fabulous fielding at cover. You hold the record for the most catches by a fielder in a World Cup match, 4 against Sri Lanka in that 2003 World Cup at Johannesburg. Your memories of that particular game and how hard you worked at your fielding, because now everybody does, but you are one of the guys who brought back Quicksilver fielding. Let's talk about that, please.
Not too hard.
Just natural ability.
No. I'm just joking. And at this level, you have to really work hard to become good at anything. Batting, bowling, fielding. Fielding probably needs more effort because it might get boring at some stage. But I enjoyed fielding because I could bring smiles on people's faces. That was the great satisfaction for me. If I'm diving around, saving boundary, or taking some brilliant catches, I could see the atmosphere lifting. In the field. Bowlers are happy. They're coming to me. Well done, Kev. Great save. Whatever. So you live for those kind of moments when you play for India, and the atmosphere at the ground, the crowd, those who come to watch the game. If you dive and make a diving stop, they all shout and make noise, and the atmosphere changes. That is the great motivation for me, and I think I enjoyed doing that, diving around for India.
So Joburg, memories of Joburg.
Joburg, yeah. Oh, World Cup, correct. Yeah, I mean, as a fielder, you always want to get involved. I was an attacking fielder. You talk about being an attacking batsman, attacking bowler, but I was an attacking fielder. So I wanted to get involved. I wanted to, ball should come to me all the time. When you want it so badly, it happens. So that means you are positioning yourself at the right position where ball comes a lot more, all these things. And of course, then all these techniques and all diving around. Fitness plays a big part. I think fielding and fitness is a big connection. Those who want to take up fielding, I think if they are agile, if they can run fast, they can become a good fielder. So fielding plus fitness, good combination.
Kev bhai, you're going back to Lords. This is the team is going there, and this is your happy hunting playground. Who can forget the NatWest final?
Lords, Yuvraj, man.
Yeah, Yuvraj and you made us win that game.
Yeah,
also known as Yuvraj and Kev's game and Dada's game, taking off the shirt on the balcony. Your memories of that NatWest final, Kev bhai.
Oh, I mean, there's so many you can't forget. Those the moment of my life. Lords, going to Mecca of cricket, and things had never happened. Going to Lords and chasing the big target, it was a very new for us, for Indian team. Just going abroad and chasing 300 plus, it was very new for us. And whenever you achieve something new, something which had not happened before, you feel proud, you feel privileged, you feel honored, and of course, people still remember that match, Dada taking out the shirt, and me and Zach finishing off those, final run for the team. So yeah, great memories.
What was your first instantaneous reaction when you saw Dada on the balcony?
No, I
didn't. Were you shocked or happy?
Oh yeah, I saw him. That was one thing. Of course, he got very excited, and he had asked others to join when he takes off his shirt. Probably others declined, and probably थोड़ा उनको धोखा हो गया वापस. But yeah, when he came down the ground and he jumped with a joy, I was not expecting that, because I thought he would just come and probably hug me and say well played, but he actually showed his emotion. He jumped at me. I was not ready for that. So that was very unexpected from Dada. But yes, Lords, winning at Lords, and I could make out Sachin and Dravid and all the senior players. They were so happy. As a young player, you play for your teammates. You just want to see your senior players happy, and because they have done so well for the country. And yeah, I was happy just to bring the smile on their faces.
Kev bhai, everybody talks about your century against Zimbabwe, century against New Zealand, but a true Test cricket fan will always ask you about your 148 in the second Test, your maiden century against the West Indies. Your first 100 in Test cricket, 2006. Rahul Dravid, your captain. Please talk about that wonderful innings.
Yeah, your first Test 100 is always special. It took me a while. I played few matches and got dropped and got picked again and like that. So I was not a regular member of the Test team, but there I played all the matches. And yeah, very special moment because, Test run is Test run. Test wicket is you always remember that. So playing Test and becoming a Test player for India, it's a great moment for anyone, any player. They dream of playing Test matches. If you talk about Virat Kohli, he says, the toughest format is Test cricket. So yeah, so for me also it was the same toughest format of this game, and going to West Indies after many years, winning the series in West Indies, it has not happened many times for India. So yeah, I mean, very happy making my first 100 over there. Rahul Dravid as a captain won the series. Yeah, happy moments.
My last question is about commentating with Virender Sehwag as well as Sunny Paji, the great Sunil Gavaskar. Must be so much fun. Ashish Nehra in studio on the commentary. Enjoying yourself, Kev bhai?
Yeah, it seems like I'm not retired. I'm still like I'm still like उनके साथ ही फंसा हूँ अभी भी. Same faces, same people. Indian team में नहीं छोड़ा, यहाँ भी नहीं छोड़ रहे बस.
Great fun.
But no, it was great fun. No, it's Sunny Bhai and Viru, and we had Zahir Khan earlier, and yeah, we have played together. We had so much fun playing together, memories, and we just have fun, just chat and talk. It's not like doing a job. We just talk about the game and have fun. We play carom in the mid innings. We share thoughts, and yeah, just keep laughing. Yeah, have fun in life.
Watch Mohammad Kaif in commentary as well as on Extra Innings, Sony Sports' live studio show from 2:30 in the afternoon Indian Standard Time. The second Test of India, Tour of England live. Also 3:30 IST on Sony 6, Sony 10.3, Sony 10.4 channels from August 12th to 16th. Kev bhai, thank you for your time. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
See you.
Take care. Thank you.
94.3 Radio 1.
One world, your station.